Here's how to connect your Kindle with the Wi-Fi network. So if we're in a book, first we're going to go back to library, then we're going to go to home. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on the three dots. And then next we're going to go to settings. Here you will see wireless. Go ahead and click on that. We will see Wi-Fi networks. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And this should take us to the Wi-Fi that's available right now. So go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to have to put in your password. We're going to hit sign in. If you don't see your network connection or your Wi-Fi network, then go ahead and push rescan. When you do find it, go ahead and put in your password, push connect, and then you should be on Wi-Fi now. So once connected, you'll be able to download books, sync your library, and receive software updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.